Hello everyone, welcomes to Hussein Physics Academy YouTube channel. Today our session is 2025 Physics Questions Lesson 3. Let's go to start our session. Moment of inertia of a rod of mass m and length capital L about an axis passing through its center and normal to its length is alpha. Now the rod is cut into two equal parts and these parts are joined symmetrically to form a cross shape. Moment of inertia of cross about an axis passing through its center and normal to plane containing cross is so here given a rod, let us assume rod, its mass is m, its length assume as capital L. Moment of inertia capital M is equal to alpha. So moment of inertia of rod is equal to m L square by 12. When this rod is cut into two equal halves, then the length is becomes, when rod is cut into two equal halves, mass and length of rod becomes half, m by 2 comma L by 2. So rod 2, it is cut into two equal halves and arranged in the form of cross shape. So here this one is one rod, this one is other rod. Let us assume rod 1, rod 2. So here mass m by 2, length is L by 2. Why? Because total rod is cut into two equal half pieces. It is also here also mass m by 2, length capital L by 2. Okay, now moment of inertia of cross shape rod, moment of inertia of cross shape rod is equal to moment of inertia of rod 1 plus moment of inertia of rod 2. Okay, so substitute in the moment of inertia formula. So mass is m by 2 rod 1, length is L by 2 whole square by 12. Here also mass is m by 2, length is L by 2 whole square by 12. Okay, now common the here total rod of cross shape rod of moment of inertia, let us assume alpha dash. Alpha dash is equal common the m by 2 L by 2 whole square by 12. So common here 1 plus 1. Okay, 2 into here m L square by 2 square means 4 2s are 8 into 12. Okay, 2 4s are 8. So written as ml square by 12 into 1 by 4. So ml square by 12 means alpha. So alpha by 4. So new moment of inertia is alpha by 4. Here this one is the alpha. Okay, next question number 2. So our answer is B. Question number 2, option 2. Next, here one mirror is given. O is object. Object is placed left of the mirror. So here the distance between the object to the mirror is 0.2 meters. So this one is the U. U value is given. So radius of curvature 0.4 meters. Medium 1. So left side of the mirror is considered as medium 1. Right side of mirror is considered as medium 2. So mu 1 is equal to 1, mu 2 is equal to 1.5. Okay. So here mu 1 is equal to n1, mu 2 is equal to n2. Okay. A spherical surface separates two media of refractive indices 1 meter and 1.5. 1 and 1.5. So 1 means refractive index of medium 1. 1.5 means refractive index of 1.5. Distance of the image of an object O is. So find the image of the distance or distance of image. So image distance is indicated by V. Okay. So here given U is equal minus 0.2 meter. So minus here I am taken by because the object is placed left side of the mirror. So that's why here I am placed minus. Okay, if the object is placed in the right side, then it will become positive. Okay, here left side is there, no? That's why 0.2 minus 0.2 I am taken. So radius of curvature is given 0.4 meters. So mu 1 is equal to 1. Mu 2 is equal to 1.5. So mirror formula U2 by V minus U1 by U is equal to mu 1 by U is equal mu 2 minus mu 1 by R. This is the formula for mirror. Okay. Okay, from this formula mu 2 is given 1.5 by V, we don't know V value. So mu 1 is given 1 by U value is minus 0.2 is equal mu 2 is 1.5 minus mu 1 value 1 by radius of curvature 0.4. So 1.5 by V plus minus into minus plus 1 by 0.2 is equal 1.5 minus 1 0.5 by 0.4. So 1.5 by V is equal 0.5 by 0.4. This part 1 by 0.2 is shift to right side, then it will becomes minus 1 by 0.2. So 1.5 by V is equal, here LCM 0.4. So 0.5 minus 0.2 is 2 times. So 2. So 1.5 by V is equal minus 1.5 by 1.4. So here 1.5 get cancelled. So V is equal to minus 0.4 meters. So minus indicates the image is also in the left side. So 0.4 meters left to the spherical surface. Option 2 is correct. Next. Question number 3. A small bob of mass 100 milligrams. Mass is given 100 milligrams. Here given milligrams. Charge plus 10 microcoulombs is connected to an insulating string of length 1 meter. It is brought near to an infinitely long non-conducting sheet of charge density sigma, as shown in figure. If string subtends an angle of 45 degrees with the sheet at equilibrium, the charge density of sheet will be, okay, so here sheet is given infinitely charged sheet. So here given data is first Q is given plus 10 microcoulombs. Micro means 10 to the power of minus 6, 10 to the power of minus 6 coulombs. Next mass is given, mass is equal to 100 milligrams. So converted into kilograms, 100 into 10 to the power of minus 6 kilograms. Okay. Next epsilon value is given, epsilon naught 8.85 into 10 to the power of minus 12 farad meter, farad per meter. Okay. So here I am redrawn the diagram. So a infinitely charged sheet is placed in this direction. So plus 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 is plus charge, positive charge. So a bob of mass m is suspended from here. So this mass is 10 into 100 milligrams. Here infinitely sheet charge and bob of mass angle makes 45 degrees. Okay. Tension in the string is always act away from this mass. Okay, T. So this charge attracts by the mass is in this direction. Electrostatic force Q into E. Okay. Mass, the acceleration due to gravity is always downward. Mg is always downward. When the tension is inclined, then here it is split into two components. One is the T cos theta, other one is the T sin theta. Okay. From this free body diagram, we observed that T cos theta is equal to mg. Okay, T cos theta is equal to mg. Next, QE is equal to T sin theta. T sin theta is equal to QE. Okay, so from this equation, T is equal to mg by cos theta. Okay, substitute this T value here, mg by cos theta into sin theta is equal to Q into E. Okay, sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Mg tan theta is equal to Q into E. Okay, Q into E. Here, so theta is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, so infinite sheet charge, electric field E is equal sigma by 2 epsilon. So for infinitely sheet charge, this formula E is equal to for infinitely sheet charge, for infinitely sheet electric field intensity E formula for infinitely sheet. So now substitute in this equation mg tan 45 is equal Q into E is equal sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Okay, so tan 45 is 1, mg is equal Q sigma by 2 epsilon naught. From this, here we require sigma charge density. So sigma is equal cross multiplying mg into 2 epsilon naught by Q. So where sigma is equal to m means mass is 100 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into g is 10 into 2 into epsilon naught 8.85 into 10 to the power of minus 12. Okay, by Q value is charge Q is plus 10 microcoulombs. So 10 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So here 10 to the power of minus 6, 10 to the power of minus 6 get cancel. Next here 10, 10 get cancel. So 10 to the power of minus 6 is there. Here 10 to the power of minus 4. Here 2 into 8.85 into epsilon 10 to the power of minus 12. Okay, so 100 is there, 10 to the power of minus 12 is, so 10 to the power of minus 10. 2 into 8.85, 17.72, 17.7 nano coulombs per meter square. Our answer sigma is equal. So answer 2, option 2 is correct. Thank you for watching my videos. Let's tuned until further videos are uploading.